What happens when dying is more costly than living? Well, the funeral industry makes profit, and that's what's happening in South Africa. Our correspondent Calden Ongmu getting you this ground report from Johannesburg. Take a look.
Losing a loved one takes an emotional toll, but in South Africa, it can also take a financial toll. Funerals are a grand affair in South Africa. From casket to catering, everything has to be top-notch. According to a survey, South Africa is the world's fourth most expensive country after Japan, China, and Germany when it comes to organizing a funeral. The country has a flourishing funeral industry, and the competition is fierce.
The COVID-19 pandemic has had an impact on the demand of funeral insurance. People have become conscious of death for real because we know someone, if not closer from home, we know someone next door who has died, and we have seen the impact of death in our lives.
More and more South Africans are choosing a simple funeral for their loved ones, and they seem to be very happy with their decision.
When it comes to funerals in South Africa, it's quite a big event where extended family, friends, neighbors, everyone comes through. So just on catering for those people, and we're a nation of hospitality. So funeral covers does help in ensuring that someone gets a dignified funeral.
We like to send our loved ones in a very dignified way. And that's why I've joined this funeral service, because it's very convenient, whereby if you pass on, or one of your family member or loved ones pass on, we know that we are safe, and then we don't struggle financially, whereby you'll be running up and down looking for cash that you do not have.
It may sound grim, but death is a business for some people. Since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, many individuals and companies are flooding people with offers of burial insurance. South Africa is the worst COVID-hit nation on the African continent.
One fundamental reason for the growing need for funeral cover is seeing how expensive a funeral can be. With the economy weakening and the cost of living soaring, people want to be able to afford to pay for a dignified funeral for their loved ones. This is Calden Ongmu from Johannesburg, South Africa for WION World is One.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.